My name is Tazio Ottis. This is
Derek Tam-Scott.
And we're in a driveway in Florida.
Because we just bought a car. Much too rarely, the world gets a car that is so great out of the box that it needs no changes. This isn't one of them, but we do have a hypothesis that it might be part of another select group. Cars that would be great if only one thing were different.
Shifting issues.
That thing is, of course, the automatic transmission, which was the only transmission available in this car. The CLK63 Black Series is a limited production car powered by the legendary M156, the first and so far only engine designed from the ground up by the legendary tuner AMG. The Black Series name means that this car has a host of weapons-grade improvements, including a strengthened body shell, significantly widened track with bodywork to go with, triple adjustable coilovers, massive brakes, a limited slip, and even a differential cooler. This type of car deserves a manual, and we learned that there's someone in Nashville who agreed enough to make it a reality. He told us it works beautifully, so it was obvious what to do next. We flew our whole company out to Florida, where we bought a CLK63 Black Series that we were going to road trip 9 hours to Nashville for a manual swap. And because why not, we'll stop en route so Randy Pobst can help answer the question of whether a CLK63 Black Series laps a racetrack faster as a manual or as an automatic. Along the way, we found a fellow AMG enthusiast.
Yeah, they want to race. Oh, hell yeah. See, it's a family, too. That's the best part. Look at that. You got friends on the road, and they share the same AMG passion. That's just cute. I swear to God, Derek's gonna make me a Mercedes man one of these days. It's gonna happen. I think it already is happening.
Is that 164 going out the window?
No. We can still have little crushes, but you know. I don't know, this is pretty dang good. I hear the homies.
Now let's introduce Randy to the subject of our science experiment.
As I recall, this has a fat torque curve.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
6.2 liters. Did you confirm that?
Yeah.
I think AMG's
Yeah.
famous for that. Like
Yeah.
that BMW, I didn't like that as a street engine.
No, you had to rev the piss out of it to go anywhere.
Well, it was
Yeah.
like a Porsche 6, but
Yeah.
in a BMW V8.
Yeah.
And it was lazy on the street.
Yeah.
This thing, as I recall, it's ready.
Yeah, it is.
Like, it's always ready.
Yeah, you give it power and then it's searching.
For
Yeah.
traction.
Gorilla.
Yeah.
It's not a cheetah, it's a gorilla.
Yeah.
Yeah. Brute force.
We always loved that.
The Mercedes way.
Yeah, AMG.
The
Yeah.
AMG way. All modern AMG products have a lot of straight line capability, both acceleration and deceleration. They might even be fun to slide around, but they usually lack the poise and precision that makes a good track car. The thing that makes the CLK63 Black Series special is that it's not just fast, it's genuinely athletic too. Its body, chassis, and differential were made with track use in mind, and it's a car that can genuinely dance. And it's not just capable of doing it, it likes it. The steering is weighty, precise, and feelsome. The triple adjustable coilovers allow the knowledgeable driver to tune the car's attitude, offering a level of control that is rare in street cars, let alone a Mercedes. Motivating this chassis is the true centerpiece of the experience, the M156. It is a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 that embodies everything there is to love about big V8s. It makes fantastic noises, has torque everywhere, yet it revs to 7,200 RPM, giving it a responsiveness that matches the character of the chassis. Curiously, most of the M156s built powered luxury cars, and their racy character is a little out of place in these. But in the Black Series, it is just right. It is the perfect embodiment of the car's sporting intent. That intent is dulled by the automatic, which does not always grant the driver's requests, and when it does, often does so with significant delay. Many enthusiasts have had this thought, and this one has done something about it. Matt Kwiek owns Kwiek Classics, a shop in Nashville, Tennessee, and figured out that it's possible to put a Mercedes 6-speed manual on the back of an M156.
Welcome to my shop. This is Kwiek Classics. This is where we do the things.
And how did you figure out this was possible the first time?
Trial and error, really. I have enough of a working knowledge of all of these chassis that, in theory, it's possible to do entirely with Mercedes parts. So why not try
And
it?
in practice?
It works great, as it turns out. It's fantastic.
Okay. Well, how many have you done?
We have done 2 so far. This will be number 3. And that is not counting other cars that we put 156s in with manuals. That's a whole different thing.
Yeah, so the 156 is the 4-cam engine that was dedicated, designed by AMG.
Yes.
And powered most anything with a 63 up to 2000. And
Well, it depends.
Which
For
body?
the C-Class, it was up to 2014. For the
Yeah.
S-Class and the E-Class, 2010, 2011.
yeah, so it's the good engine. It's naturally aspirated, lots of camshafts, lots of valves. It's
The
what you
the last true AMG engine, as a lot of people say.
want. Yeah. Kind of the first one too, sort of.
I mean, since the quad cam 117, but then you can argue that too because they just took the Mercedes 117 and popped a head on it.
Yeah, sure. So how long does this process take?
It's really limited by how long it takes us to get the parts. Overall, the actual work, we can have it done in a week. But yeah, it's just
Is it hard to get the stuff?
depends what you're talking about, but some
Yeah.
of it, yes. Some of it comes from the far side of the world.
Yeah. And all super secret, top
Yes.
secret stuff.
Oh yeah. We're not getting any of the details on that.
But all Mercedes stuff.
Yep, except for
And,
the upgraded clutch, it's all factory parts.
Tonight, or rather, next week, Randy loses a shift knob,
Find that shift knob.
Matt changes some tires, and we do some science to see which is faster around a track, the factory automatic or the Kwiek Classics manual swap. Thanks for watching, see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe.